Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 Cumulative Assessment. In its project description, you manage a company that provides corporate training workshop. You two types clients are business people and college professor. You want to complete a spreadsheet that calculate gross revenue for upcoming training workshop. Finally, you will improve the appearance of the worksheet by applying font, alignment and number format. That is our project description. And our first step is start Excel download file name Excel chapter 1 cumulative assessment training. So we will go to the first, we will, this is our cumulative assessment training. That's our Excel file. I have already downloaded it. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage courses, Pearson Plus courses, Canva courses, or any other Word assignments, Excel assignment, PowerPoint assignment, or SS assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. The email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just scan the barcode given in the first and end of this video to get access in my inbox of my WhatsApp. Now we will move to our second step. Our second step is your organization provide a discount to educators. However, the worksheet contains the wording that need to change to education. Use find and replace to find teacher and replace it with education. So we will go to the sheet 1. That is our sheet 1. We need to go to find and select, find and replace. Here we will put teacher, and what we need to do, replace it with education. We will paste it as a education and we will select replace all done. We have made 3 replacement. In this we have made 3 replacement. That's our second step. Our third step is the worksheet contains spelling error that need to be corrected. Check the spelling of the worksheet and correct the errors. So here we will select here and we will select just put press F7 to change the spelling. You need to correct the spelling, change the spelling and make it correct. Do you want to yes, and we have spelling check done. That's our third step. Our fourth step is you cancelled the correcting basics workshop because only one person registered for it. Delete the row containing the charting basic workshop. So we need to charting basic workshop. We select that is our charting basic workshop. We need to delete this one. Delete this row. We have deleted this row. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is Excel analytics and forecasting training course failed and you opened another course. Insert a new row between the big data foundation and data mining row. That is our big data foundation and data mining row. We need to insert a row upside the data mining row. So we have inserted a row between big data foundation and data mining row. Copy the row 5 and paste it in the empty row. So we will copy row 5, that is our row 5. We need to copy this and paste it in the row 7. We have pasted our row here. Change the dates to 7 June 2024 in the range C7 to D7. So we will change this one C7. In the C7 we will paste it as a June 7, 2024, and also here also June 7, 2024, and enter 11 in G7. So we will go to the cell G7, that is our cell G7. We will need to enter 11 and 10 in the cell H7. So we will go to the H7, that is our cell H7, and we need to put as a 10 in the H7. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is assigning a code to each workshop provides a reference number. You will use 6 to indicate the 6 month June on 001 for the first workshop. Type 06-001 in the cell A5. So we will go to the cell A5, that is our cell A5. We will type 06-001. Use the autofill to complete the range A6 to A10. So autofill this one. Use the autofill up to A10. We will select this one. Flash fill. No, it's wrong. We will use as a this one as a autofill. You see, that's our sixth step. Our seventh step is instead of displaying the date such as 6/3/2024, you want to display 6/3/2024. Format the dates in the range C5 to D10 with the short date format form type list. So we will select C5 to D10, that is our cell C5 to D10. We will press Ctrl plus 1, so we will get this one. So what we need to apply now? Format the dates in the range C5 to D10 with the short range date format or type 3 list. So we will go to the short range list format, that is our short date list format. So we will apply this one and press OK. You see we have got the result like that, which one he is saying we need to display like that. So that's our seventh step. Our eighth step is the worksheet contain column for the start and end date. It would help to insert a column to display the number of date for each workshop. Insert a column to the right of the end date column. So we will go to the end date column. That is our end date column. We need to insert a column here. We need empty column as a column E. So we will insert a column here. We have inserted a column right side to the end date column. And type number of days to the cell E4. So we will copy this one and we will go to the cell E4, that is our cell E4, and paste it as a number of days. That's our eighth step. And if you want that someone do your assignments professionally, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen, and also my WhatsApp barcode is shown in the first and at the last of the video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is shown on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So we will move to our ninth step. Our ninth step is row 3 contains the number of attendee and gross revenue main heading. Centering these heading over the representative subheading will help clarify the detail. Merge and center the cells H3 to I3. So we will select H3 to I3. That is our H3 to I3. We will select merge and center. And merge and center the range J3 to L3. So we will select J3 to L3 and also merge and center this one. That's our ninth step. Our 10th step is applying a cell style will improve the appearance of the heading on the row 4. In addition, wrapping and centering the text in the heading cell will further improve the appearance of the worksheet. For the range A4 to L4, apply good cell style. wrap text and center horizontally. So we will select A4 to L4. That is our cell A4 to L4. What we need to do? We need to apply good cell style. So we will go to the cell style and we will select good cell style. That is our good cell style, and wrap text and center horizontally. So we will select wrap text and center horizontally. That's our 10 step. We have total 26 steps in this assignment. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you want to know about the remaining steps of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just comment on this video, so I will reply you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates.